Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You begin by placing 6 eggs in a single layer in a saucepan and covering them by about 1/2 inch of cold water. Once set, add 1 teaspoon salt and 1 tablespoon vinegar. These help prevent cracking and make shells easier to remove. Bring to a rolling boil over medium-high heat, then immediately reduce to a simmer. Make sure to start your timer now so cuisine stays consistent. 9 to 10 minutes yields firm yolks without a green rim. Once done, transfer eggs straight into an ice bath for 10 minutes to stop carryover cooking and firm up the whites for clean slicing. You should now tap and roll each egg to crack the shell, then peel under running water to lift tiny fragments away. After having eggs lengthwise, remove yolks and mash them with 3 tablespoons mayonnaise and 1 teaspoon mustard. Mix until smooth. Make sure to taste and adjust seasoning. A pinch more acid or salt balances richness. You finish by transferring the yolk mixture into a piping bag or a zip-top bag with a small corner cut for neat presentation. Pipe into each white cavity until slightly mounded. Once filled, garnish with a dusting of paprika and chopped chives for contrast and aroma. If something goes wrong, here's one key fix. If the filling seems too loose, chill it 10 to 15 minutes to firm up, and if it's too dry, stir in 1 teaspoon of milk or extra mayo to reach.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.